I'm Kieran Rickard from Natura Pacific, a social enterprise, and our mission is to reconnect our community with the natural world. At Messines Farm here in Queensland, we do this through regenerative agriculture, growing bespoke produce for our community and creating educational films to spread the word about good farming practices. In 2024, we applied for a grant through Xero in their Trailblazing for Technology category. Our vision? To bring cutting-edge innovation to regenerative farming by investing in an agricultural drone that could take over the most labour-intensive tasks on our farm, like organic spraying. And now, we're thrilled to say we won. Out of thousands of applications, we were selected as the winner of this category. This award recognises our plan to transform how we manage the land with smarter tools and less back-breaking work. We can now make our vision a reality. And once we get the drone up and flying, we look forward to sharing our learnings with other farmers so they can do the same.